Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this rather lovely B registration, so either 1964 or 65 MGB Roadster, and it's an early pull handle model. 2 videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling at the beginning of the driving video. Okay, let's take a look around this really rather lovely early MGB Roadster in British Racing Green with chrome wire wheels and overdrive. Black leather. I do like early B Roadsters, and this one is really correct and lovely. Proper pull handle model. As I say, it has overdrive, chrome wires. We've got a stack of history with this, I think, but I haven't been through it yet, so I don't know when it was restored. But it is correct as an early sort of 64, 65 car in not having reversing lights and stuff. And as we can see, that's the early style pull handle doors, which are all correct. The only thing that's different about it, it's got a sports steering wheel on it. We have, however, got the original, which comes with it in the boot. If you want to put that back on. But no, I think it's a splendid car, I really do. Really quite impressed with this. Right, let's get down to some detail work. Apologies for the low sun, it might dazzle us a little bit. We'll do what we can. The chrome is excellent on it, especially around the front end. It's all very good indeed there. No bubbling around the side lights or anything. Bonnet is all nice and it's the correct chrome grille. Looking here, again, no bubbling around side lights or headlamp bulbs. Looks beautifully straight down the near side there. These wheels actually look pretty new. I'll have to see if we've got anything in the history about them, but they look to be in very good shape. There's very little marks and scratches on it. As I say, I don't know when it was restored, but hopefully the history will tell us. Seam up here is all good. Screen is nice. Looking down the door there, that's the correct, the way the sill should be. And the same at the back of the door there, that's correct. Inside, all very good indeed. Correct early door cards. Nice early seats, I'm sure they've been retrimmed, but in black and white piping. No radio on this one. The only thing that lets it down, if you like, but the chrome bezel and the glass have disappeared from the combined oil pressure and water temperature gauge. Gauge still works and everything, but as I say, the glass cover has disappeared. So sports steering wheel, although we have got the original. This one has overdrive, which is over there. That all works. It's all as it should be in the back there. Carrying on round, show you this seam down here. All looking good. Offside rear wheel is all looking good. Around the back end, again, all the seams and stuff are all as they should be. Incidentally, it has got the early bonnet and boot lid on it that have got the metal props, not the later style automatic ones. Badges are all good. So chrome is excellent on it. Looking down the offside, power fit's actually pretty good on it, in my opinion. We've got, on the offside, we've got a couple of chips just on the edge of the door there, just where it's obviously caught a wall or something, and a small mark just there. I think that's pretty much it for the entire car. It really is exceptionally good. Let's carry on along here. That door fit is all, line is all as it should be. It's got the correct line under there and there. Up here on the scuttle, that's all correct. Now I'm pretty, yeah, I did see it as a tiny little blister just there in the paint on the top of the offside front wing. But that really is, you know, that's about a lot. It's a super little car, this one. Back to inside. And say the correct Early door cards, all as it should be in here, all nicely carpeted. It's a cracking bee. Cracking early bee, it really is. Anyway, I hope you like it. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.